Hi friends, this video shows how to insert battery and memory card into Canon R50 camera. First we have to turn off the camera. Make sure that camera is in off state. Then we need to find the memory card and battery slot. We can locate memory card and battery slot on the back side of the camera. We have to open this cap. Here we can see lock open. Just pull this down, that way we can open this cap, and this is the battery slot and this is the memory card slot. So first I am going to insert this battery. This is Canon battery LP this is a Canon battery LP E17. So let me insert it. When you insert, make sure that this label has to come this side. So this is a position which we need to insert this battery into this camera. I am going to insert it, then push, done. Then next I am going to insert this memory card. So memory card also, make sure that this label has to come this side. Then we can insert like this, then push, done. Then we can close the cap and lock it. So this way we can insert battery and memory card. If you want to remove, again open the cap, unlock and open. Then first I am going to remove the memory card. Push on the memory card, then release. Then we can remove the memory card. Next, battery. Here we can see one lever. Just pull that lever, then we can remove the battery. Okay, so this way we can insert and remove battery and memory card from Canon R50 camera. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.